Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tonneau cover, towing package, bed liner, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.